U.S. stocks, they're struggling to hold higher in choppy trade this Tuesday afternoon right here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, attempting to rebound from a sharply lower start to the new year as investors take in oil and earnings reports. Now, after a strong start to the session, U.S. crude now lower and struggling to hold around $30 a barrel. Meanwhile, the NAHB housing market index that held steady at a rate of 60 for the month of January, but this from a downwardly revised December reading and off a recent high of 65 back in October. Switching focus now over to the Forex markets, the U.S. dollar, that's on the upside this afternoon. We first take a look at the Euro-U.S. dollar pair, which remains in focus in afternoon trade. The pair standing below its resistance at 109.10 and remaining on the downside. Short positions below the resistance at 109.10 are favored, with targets at 108.55 and 108.35 in extension. Moving on to the British pound US dollar pair, just about a 0.5% lower at a read of 141.76, and the US dollar Japanese yen pair 0.21% higher at a read of 117.65 yen. Switching focus over to precious metals now, we do continue to see mixed trade this afternoon. We first take a look at gold, which remains in focus as gold has turned on bearish below the resistance at 1094.50. Strong positions below the resistance at 1094.50 are favored, with down targets at 1080 and 1076 in extension. And lastly, silver just about 1.25% higher, last at 14.07 a troy ounce. And don't forget to follow Trading Central on Twitter at Trading Central for all of your Forex market updates. And for Trading Central Web TV from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange on a Tuesday afternoon, I'm James Sweeney.